This video is to show you how to solve machine input output problems or sequential tracing problems quickly. What most of the people do is they write all the steps, which is too time taking, but we are here to solve it with a shortcut. I have a sample problem with this, and the given input on the sample problem is mix 12 in form 35 or 20 with 47 given. And the first thing we need to do in this kind of problem is we have to find out how the words or numbers are going to be arranged. Alright, to know it, we must look at the final step, and the final step here is step 6, and we find out the numbers are arranged in descending order and the words are arranged in ascending order as they appear in dictionary. Alright, and now we have to see the movement. So we check the first step, and the element which is greatest has come towards left, and the word which is smallest has moved towards right. Alright, and similarly in step 2, the second largest number and second smallest word, likewise the movement is carrying on till it is arranged. And according to this arrangement, we have an input which we need to arrange, and the input is when 11 given, find 37, provide 0, 90 over 45 is 29, T 89. So we already know the movement is the largest element goes first, and the numbers to be arranged in descending order and the words to be arranged in ascending order. Alright, so I already have the solution for this. Let me show you. Is the solution, right? So traditionally what you will do is you will write all the steps and then find out, which will be too time taking in the exam. So the first thing which is what we are going to do is we're going to cut each element, cross it, and then number it, and I will tell you how to number it. Alright, so in first step we know the largest number move toward left, and the largest number here is 90, and it will be moving left, so we cut it and number it as 1 left. Alright, and the smallest word here is find. Right, so it will be moving right, so we number is at 1 right. Alright fellas, and in step 2, the second largest number, that is 89, will be moving left, so we cross it and number it as 2 left, and given will be moving to rights, we cross it and number it as 2 right. Alright, and third step, the third smallest number 45 will be moving left, cross it, number it as 3 left, and the third smallest word is it moved toward right, 3 R. Fourth largest number is 37, so it will be moving left, 4 left, and then after I comes O, so 4 right. Right, and fifth number is 29, it will be moving left, cross it, number it as 5 left, and the word will be provide, 5 right. The next is the number 11, 6 right, and the word will be T, 6 right. I mistakenly wrote 6 right on the number, it will be 6 left, pardon me for that. 11 is 6 left, not 6 right. Now you see all the numbers are arranged, but 2 words still remain, that is 0 and 1. So then the words are still to be arranged. Alright, so when will be moving in 7th step towards right, and 0 will be moving in 8th step toward right. Now all of you must be thinking, how is it a shortcut? Alright, you see how many steps will be needed is the highest number which you put after crossing each value in the given input, and here it is 8 right. So the number of steps needed to solve this input according to the given example is 8. Alright, it will be solved in 8 steps. Now I have some question based on it, and the questions are: this. The first question is, which word or number would be on 4th position from left in step 2? What you people used to do is write step 2 and then tell. There is a simpler way, because they have asked from left end, we will be writing only the left end of the left from the left part. In step 2, what will appear first is first element from left, then second element from left, and then since only 2 numbers are arranged, the other values, words or numbers will appear as they appear in input. So after first and second element, all the number greater than 2 will be appearing as they appear in the input. Alright, so after 1 and 2, what appears next is when, because it's greater than 2, it's gotten a number 7 with it, and then 6L, that is 11. Alright, so let's write it. When I'll be using only the initial letter, right, and then 11. There was the 4th element from left, and my friends, we have got it. The first element is second element, third element, and 4th element from left, that is 11. So according to us, in nearly 10 seconds, we have the answer 11, and according to them, the answer is option number 4th, and the option number 4th is 11. Voila, we have a right answer. And the next question they ask is, how many steps would be needed to complete the arrangement? As well, we already answered it. 8 steps will be needed, and we have here first option 5, second option 6, third option 7, and fourth option 8, and fifth option none of these. And the correct answer is option 4, that is 8, which we already answered. 8 steps will be required. Alright, and the next question they have is, in step 4, which of the following word or number would be on 8th position from left? What we are gonna do again is, we'll be writing only the element numbers, because they was only the 8th element in 4th step from left, so we'll be writing from left side. Alright, so the first element will be first left, then second left, then third left, then fourth left, and then the elements which are appearing in the as in the input having value greater than 4 will be written. So now we have when, or you can write its number also, 7R, because it will be appearing here only in step 4. Alright, so 7R for when, then 6L because it's also greater than 4, then 1 and 2 will be gone, right, because they are smaller than 4. 4L also not, because it's equal to 4. Then we'll be having 5R, then 8R, 5R and 8R. Alright, I suppose we have 8 elements from left, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and 8th element is 8R, and 8R is 0. You see, 8R is 0, and so according to us the answer is 0 for the element 8th from left in step 4. Our answer is 0. Let's see what their answer is, and according to them the answer is option 1, and option 1 is 0. See, the option 1 is 0. So till now we are doing fine. And the last question they ask is, which step number would be the following output? You see, just check it, how many just see how many words or numbers or values are arranged in the input according to the rule we have to follow, and we find out only 3 numbers and 3 words are arranged, so the answer should be step 3. Alright, but in exam you need to check whether all the other elements appear in the same order as they appear in the given input question or not. Alright, so when 1137 provides 0 over A's 29 team, right, and